partnership with Vision Estates and Construction Liberia, we're excited to introduce the Diaspora Mortgage Program, a first-of-its-kind initiative in Liberia. After extensive preparation and in partnership with CESO Global and EcoBank Liberia, we're ready to provide mortgages to eligible Liberians living abroad. Building your dream home in Liberia has never been easier. We understand the financial challenges of managing commitments in the US while trying to invest in property back home. Our program offers a solution, allowing you to build your home with greater financial flexibility and peace of mind. Supported by a team of expert engineers and builders, we ensure a seamless construction process. Join us and our partners on Wednesday, June 5th, 2024, virtually or in Liberia, to discover how you can benefit from this incredible opportunity. Due to limited funding, we encourage you to act quickly to secure your spot. Reserve your free virtual seat using the link below or contact us directly for an invite. Don't miss out on this chance to build your future today.
This is exciting. Some of you guys who follow me on social media, as in Facebook or Instagram, or most of you probably have seen it already when I posted it on YouTube. This is beyond exciting, guys. I've talked about it a couple months ago, last month, and I've been giving hints on here on YouTube. I've done some polls and some survey with you guys, and the majority of you guys were also anticipating and hoping for a program like this, right? So as you've seen, after you've seen the title, after you've seen the preview video, for the very first time ever, the Diaspora Mortgage Program has hit Liberia. Man, I mean, my team and I have been working on this for a while, since last year, just in communication with our partner company who's going to be processing the applications and stuff, CESO Global. Just been in talk with the managing director and stuff like that, the partners in that company, really trying to bring this program to Liberia. It has never been a program before where folks living in the diaspora can get mortgages in Liberia. It's always been a struggle. Folks has been hitting me up. People have been, wishing. I myself have been wishing for something like this. And really just to have the opportunity, if you're living in the diaspora, since majority of us are building in Liberia, to be able to get some kind of financing option to complete your building in Liberia, because we live in the United States or Europe, Asia, and you have your life, you have bills, you have other things going on. You do want to own in Liberia, whether it be in like a primary home, vacation home, rentals, whatever it is you're trying to do. We do, and that's why all of us are trying to build in Liberia. Funding has been challenging, right? If you live in the diaspora, you go apply for any kind of funding in Liberia. It's tough because you're not living there and things like that. So for the first time ever, Vision Estates partner up with CESO Global and EcoBank, bring to you guys the Diaspora Mortgage Program. Oh man, like I said, if you've been following me on social media, you would have seen I've been hinting about this, just kind of going back and forth. I was even in Liberia for 3 days. You guys probably saw the preview video, just 3 days, in order to really sit in front of everybody who's involved in this and try to make sure this comes to fruition. And it is here now, right? So a very, very exciting news. Now I'm going to give you a brief rundown, right, about the program and stuff like that. Folks have already started reaching out. If you have already, just know that my team is on it. We're just trying to curate all this information, try to get back to people right away. We're also finishing up on the tail end of setting up our internal team to help with this entire process and things like that, right? So all of that is coming very soon. But let me just say this. If you want more information other than what I'm saying here today, you can hop on with us, right, on Wednesday, June 5th, for like a public forum, right, information session where we go in details about different things. You guys get to ask questions, or at least get to hear from all parties involved, ourselves, the banks, EcoBank, CESO Global, and everybody who's involved in this program. Myself will be on. I think a couple other developers who are also building too will be on there as well, to really answer all of the questions and things like that. We're going to curate all of these questions throughout the weekend and stuff like that for folks who are reaching out, and then we'll go ahead and bring that to you guys. But again, man, we're going to make a whole video. This is just a prelude video. I just got decided to make this quick on my iPhone. But So the program is going to be catered to diaspora Liberians, Liberians living in the diaspora, right? So if you're living in right now is the Canada, United States, and Europe. Well, not Europe per se, the UK, I should say, because Europe is bigger than that. So the UK. So basically, it's a program where, right, you can go ahead, like for instance, if you come to us, Vision Estates, and say, hey, look, I want to purchase a home, I have some money, but of course, I want the home to be done in in a reasonable period of time, 6 months, 5 months, a year, whatever it is. But of course, you don't have that money up front, so you come to us. We put you through the program. You pick your home and you apply for it. It takes you through our partner, Cessa Global. And Cessa Global is a very renowned company. They've been doing this for a while now. They're prominent in Ghana and Nigeria. They've been, I mean, you see in Ghana, Ghana is very developed, and these are all part of the reason why, right? Because folks are able to secure fundings in order to do construction. Liberia has never been something like this, so this is ridiculously exciting, guys. Very, 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 very exciting. So if you're watching this, if you've never shared a YouTube video, I would highly urge you to share this, even if you're not interested in building. I'm 100% sure somebody in your circle, somebody you know, or somebody that may know you will see this video and be excited about this. So share this video actually on your social media, this YouTube video, share it on your social media as well. If you're watching this on social media already, on Facebook or whatever it is, share it too as well. So basically you come through the program, you come to us, right? And I'm going to make a full detailed video. Joel and myself will post it, but this is like just a debrief, a gist. So you apply with us, you pick your home, and you go through the financing option. So basically the question will be, hey, how do I get qualified? We're looking at things like employment. If you employ, your income, here, kind of, go with the credit score too as well. That helps. And sometimes if you have physical asset too as well, maybe in Liberia or here, we take all of that into consideration. And of course, you get a little bit of a down payment. Right now, we're looking at about 30% down payment, which is not bad at all, which means you finance 70% of it, which is a huge chunk. And then you can spread that over 8 years. There's never been anything like this in Liberia. You can pay early. There's no prepayment penalty. You can pay early. So, in Liberia right now, even with our initial program that we have, the longest you can go is 24 months, right? 2 years, even 18 months, I should say, is the longest you can go, because we're not a bank, we're not a financing company, so we need to build these things, and that's the only option you had, which you still can do and save some money, but right now you do have the option to now apply, and with your 30% down payment, and you finance it up to 8 years and have really reasonable monthly payment, or monthly payment towards your home, and get your home a lot sooner than if you were, paying little by little and build your house in 5 years and stuff like that, right? And you can still, like I said, pay early, pay more, finish the loan earlier than 8 years, but that's the whole process you would do. So basically, that's the whole kind of like the high level, right? Just an overview. You apply, you pick your home with us, you apply for the program, you get approved, you get an offer letter, conditional offer letter. After that, we verify a few things, the bank verify a few things and all of that stuff, and then they release the funding. Now, most of our homes we are building also because a lot of people are trying to build, and like there isn't a company right now in Liberia that's building hundreds of homes at the same time or simultaneously. So most of the homes are going to be off plan. What off plan means is it's almost like you find a contractor and you're paying that contractor little by little, and they're building for you. So off plan just means we already have everything prepared, the land and all of that stuff, the house plan, everything, engineers, everybody's ready to go. Off plan just means after you see your design, you like a design, you go over the entire structure, you go over the floor plan, all that stuff, you love it. The banks approve you, almost like construction loan, right? The bank provide fundings and we start to build. Now, there's a little bit of a buffer and kind of like a safety net for you. For the off-plans home, the bank are not going to release all the money to us, to the company. They're going to monitor the construction, and you're going to monitor the construction, and they release the money little by little. So that gives you a little bit of peace of mind too as well. So it's not like, your bank is releasing the money to us and then you just show up one day to look at your house. You know what I mean? You're always part of the process, and the bank is always monitoring it too, because they have an interest to make sure the build is completed. So not only you is monitoring, the bank is also monitoring for you. They have a representative looking at the project we are doing for you. So basically, and after each step is good and is okay, before they release a little bit more funding. So they're releasing it bit by bit by bit. So they give everybody a sense of security as well. But that's the high level overview. Look forward to more information. You can hop on Wednesday. I'll put the link in the description. You can click on it and reserve a seat to ask more questions. But man, this is exciting. This is exciting. Now we do offer mortgages within our estate. And also now, again, you can ask me more questions. You can reach out to me, send us an email. Maybe if you have land outside of the estate, you have land somewhere else, you can still kind of go through the Diaspora mortgage program, and it'll be the same thing. We'll verify your land, we'll verify the deed and all of that stuff after checking out everything, and then the fund starts to release to us, because we are a verified developer. So only a few people that the bank works with us, and things like that, so that the bank can release the funds to, and then we can start the construction for you. So again, I just wanted to touch on that. Watch out for more videos coming up, and hop on the session. Come on down Wednesday. Let's come in. Let's talk about everything. And then you can start sending information. I will say though, it is going to be a limited amount that we're starting with round one with. So if you want to get in early, apply early. Just apply early. A lot of people are going to start applying. This is the first program ever to happen, so application is going to be rushing in. Send us information right now to visionestatesliberia at gmail.com. It'll be in the description as well, just so we can at least get your information in line, so that when we open the floodgates next week, everybody application comes in, yours can be ahead of the curve. But there it is, guys. Watch it for more video coming through. Thank you for watching.